What's up, brick builders? Today's build is the Puppy's Doghouse. This is set number 562303. Year it came out was 2013. Age group 6 plus, and it comes with a piece count of 25. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video. This is a kind of a new-ish series or something like that, maybe. Basically, Lego magazine with the Lego set on there and stuff, and we just go through what comes with these particular Lego magazines. So this is the Puppy's Doghouse. It came out in 2013, but it was re-released 2024 this year, last month, which was October. So that's when it came out on the magazine. That's when we got the magazine. A little bit about it is that yeah, it was attached to Lego magazine number 18, and also it was released 29, and then obviously that was in October. So this is issue 29. Let's dive in and have a look. Okay, here's our magazine. It's kind of colourful. Here's our little Lego set on the front. Let's take that off. Oh yeah, that's kind of tough. Yes, tear it. Oh no, Lego magazine. Okay, so Lego magazine. Nice little colourful pictures on the front there. We've got the set at the top there. It does say toys may vary, which is interesting. We got some spot the difference, a little bit of story here. It's kind of actually laid out quite nicely with the cartoon or the rendered pictures. It looks really quite cool. Then we got some colouring in bits there. And here's our build instructions for the Puppy's Doghouse. We got a little bit of a hurdle game here. Walk in the park. So the puppy's name is Arya, or Arya. It got some cut out puppies there that you can put wool in. We used to do that as a kid with I think it was dolls, and we'd make their dresses. You get like these little pom-poms basically, which is kind of cool. We used to do that when we were a kid. They're for each other. They are. Ah, look at that. We got a big, cute as a button poster there about Sheba, where it's from, kind of thing there. That's kind of cool. A little bit more colouring in there. It's a bit of a poster in the middle. Bollocks things. Yep. It's a poster. So you would get a poster with this magazine. There you go. Stick that on your wall. Very cool. And oh, a bit about the dogs. Mainly Sheba. This is real Sheba. Right there. Those are cool. Aren't they cute? Those are cute. So cute. Collars. Loads and loads and loads of games and stories in these magazines. Oh, there's the puppy from the stargazing set. Got a nice little build here. You could actually replicate that with the parts that you have. That's kind of what I like to do with these magazines, is replicate the builds. And then you got your answers to your little quizzes on the back there. You got a nice little play area and a little door stop there. I think this is actually a play area for the puppy. Yep, that's a play area for the puppy. You can make that, which is kind of cool. And then we've got a quick preview of November's set coming out. It's got 21 pieces. It's got a little kitten. That's really cool. Chico. It's a cat, apparently. Looks like a kitten. It's a bit of a vet examination area. You got a little cookie there. Got the light here. Cupboard. You got the syringe there. And some sort of bottle here as well. So that's going to be interesting to pick up. And toys may vary again. So they're probably like a random model with the magazine. Oh, put this magazine aside. Let's open it up and find out what we got. No, not a poly bag, foil bag. So on the back here you got the set number right there. If you go to blueocean.com, there you go, blueocean.org, .ag.com there. If you go to that website, it will show you the instructions to build this. Also, it shows you that you get a footprint thing. That's cool. Let's see what we got. It's sticking to my hand. Colourful pieces as usual for a friend set. Very basic. No. Got the instructions. So we got some sand green stuff. That's kind of cool. Some magenta. Some light or bright orange. Some more sand green there. Dark blue. Some green. Quite a few of these brown plates with bars, which is nice. Reddish brown. And there's our puppy. How cool is that? Stop focusing on everything else and focus on the puppy. Look at that. That is so cool. It's got a little hole in the head there so you can give it a bow. It's got a little tail. Hole on the bottom there so you can position it onto a plate. Oop. There we go. Sits on the plate quite sturdily. And we got an orange leaf as well. Nice. There's our printed paw piece. And we got a carrot top, brown. Another sand green piece. We got a bowl. And a brown stud there. Right, let's see what we can do. So, like I say, the instructions are inside. There it is. So that's what we want. So let's build it. Oh, there we go, folks. The puppy's doghouse, and it's got leaf effects on the top of the roof there of the doghouse. It's quite an easy build, and then these studs hold it into place like so, which is really cool. You got your little puppy there, which is nice. That's a printed piece that keeps falling out of the bowl. The puppy looks pretty cool. A little patch over its eye, and then obviously you got your cookies or your dog food goes in there, and then we got some toys. We got a stick so we can play fetch with it. You got a ball, which is a Technic special piece. You can see the axle piece there, and that's in like a dark pink. And then we've got a drink cup here as well. not sure puppies drink from a bottle like that, but yeah, you got a drink cup there. I'm reckoning that's probably for the owner of the puppy, but yeah, there you go. Puppy's doghouse. It's not a very big build, but you do get some fairly decent elements with it, like the leaf pieces. Of course, you get the little puppy with it as well. You get all those hinge pieces as well, which is really nice in sand green. And you get the little accessories as well. I think it's kind of cool little build. Definitely a good one to add to say your growing Lego Friends city or village or whatever it is you're building with it, and just adding to it. I think that's a really good little piece to add to one of those kind of things. I still haven't seen anybody do a Lego City Friends Lego City yet. I think this would be really cool to put in a park, in the back garden or something like that of your friend's Lego City. Pretty cool set. Get some decent parts with it. And is it worth it? Well, it's $4.99. Maybe. I mean, the puppy probably is going to be the most trickiest part to get because it's printed and stuff like that. But other than that, some pretty decent parts. If you enjoyed the video, you like this series, please let me know. Give me some feedback on do you want to see some more reviews on the magazines or the sets you get from the magazines, like Ninjago, City, Star Wars. I know Star Wars have some really cool builds. Ninjago's mostly minifigures and stuff. Lego Friends do have some pretty decent cool builds. And anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share with your friends, family, and anybody else who you would like to see this kind of content. Don't forget to put your notifications on to all so you don't miss me in the next video. I'm Sean from BRIT'N. Peace.